Hey guys, it's Max with Apple Insider. We just got the brand new Apple Watch Series 4 in, so let's go ahead and unbox it and compare it to the Apple Watch Series 3. Wow, there's this nice little sleeve now instead of just a plastic wrapper. So you can slide it out. This one is a 40 millimeter, where the one on my wrist is a 42 millimeter. They also have the new 44, and I could tell that it is smaller, but technically the new screen is a little bit larger. And on the back, we now have a full ceramic design with an updated sensor array. The straps are included in a different package. So comparing the exterior, the speakers are now larger and they take up the whole left-hand side on the Series 4, and the microphone is actually moved instead of two little ports. It's on the right-hand side and just a single port that's between the crown and the button. Apple did this to reduce echoing during calls. Even though Series 4 is larger, if you have a 38 millimeter and you're upgrading to a 40, your previous Apple Watch straps will work. Same thing if you're going from a 42 to a 44. During the process, we now have this new screen about heart health, which is going to give us a notification if our heart rate is too low or too high. We also have the emergency SOS function, which now includes fall detection with Apple Watch Series 4. So we are finished. That was much faster than setting up my previous Apple Watches. So there you have it. We're all set up. Let's go ahead and check out some of those new awesome live watch faces. As I'm scrolling through these watch faces, I get that little haptic feedback through the crown, almost like there's little ticks as I scroll, and that definitely does feel nice. So here we have the new fire and water. Let's go ahead and go in here. That looks cool. Let's go ahead and customize it. I can switch it just to water. And let's take a look. That looks really cool. You could see the water bouncing against the curved edges of this new Apple Watch. You can also get these new watch faces with an older Apple Watch and download them with watchOS 5, but unfortunately, because the screens are square, Apple's setting them up in a little circular fashion to not show the edges, where on the new Apple Watch Series 4, it hits the frame and curves around the edges. Definitely looks a lot nicer, and it gives you the sense of a large screen. As you can see, the fire face definitely looks cooler on the new Apple Watch. And there is the vapor face. That just looks so much cooler on Series 4. With the edges. And here we have the liquid metal face. And of course, with the curved edges on the display, we have the Infograph watch face that has a ton of different complications. Let's go ahead and just play around and customize it a little bit. We can swipe through here to adjust and select what we want to change here. So solar system, timer. Each one of these little corners and all these different sections can be customized to show you the information that you want to see. With the Series 3, even though you do get some of those new watch faces, you don't have one that can show so much on the display at the same time. Just as I'm playing with these watches, I could tell that the crown is now slimmer on the Series 4, and going back to the Series 3 and scrolling without that haptic feedback definitely does not feel as nice once you kind of get used to having that little haptic notification as you're scrolling through. If you look closely, another difference is that the side button is now completely flush with the watch compared to sticking out. It looks and feels sleeker. Just to show you guys the difference in screens, I loaded up the same photo, and here you can see that we have the rounded corners versus just a smaller square display. And even though this is the smaller size of the new Series 4 versus the larger of the Series 3, the new watch's display has slightly more surface area. Another big update is a much louder speaker that's included with the Apple Watch, and that's definitely handy if you want to make calls or use the walkie-talkie function. So let's test out just by using Siri. What's the weather today?
Did you accidentally summon me?
No. What's the weather today?
No, perhaps not.
Well, that's a good example of the volume. What's the weather today?
I don't know where you are, but you can show me. Go to Location Services settings on your iPhone.
Okay, I don't know if you guys could tell a difference, but it's definitely louder. We also have a new processor and GPU, which gives us about twice the performance compared to the Series 3, which was already quite snappy. For those of you thinking about getting the LTE version of the Apple Watch, the radio waves can now pass both through the front and the back, which is going to give you better reception for calls. Just like I showed you previously, we have a new design on the back with more sensors, and now with the Series 4 you could take an electrocardiogram. Unfortunately, this is not yet enabled, but will be enabled soon, and I don't know if you've ever seen how one of these electrocardiograms looks at a doctor's office. It really is a huge process, and that's so awesome that you'll be able to do this on your Apple Watch. Alright guys, so that wraps up our comparison. The Apple Watch Series 4 is really impressive, and if you don't have an Apple Watch already, we definitely suggest paying the extra price to get the Series 4 compared to the now lower price Series 3. And I know a lot of people that already have the Series 3 are going to be upgrading to the Series 4 because this is the biggest jump Apple has made with an Apple Watch to date. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and enable those notifications so you guys do not miss out on future videos. This has been Max with Apple Insider, and I will see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.